Hello, people! Welcome to my YouTube channel Sneak Peek. My name is Pooja, and today I'm here to show you a sneak peek of the brand new Micromax In Note 1. Yes, India का smartphone, India के लिए और India से. Guys, this is my very first video. So, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So, let's get started. Alright, friends, so Micromax finally has made its comeback once again to the Indian mobile market and has launched two new smartphones, the In Note 1 and In 1B. So, both these phones are mid tier budget phones and they will be available on Flipkart and Micromax's own website for sale. So if you take a look at this phone, which is the Note 1, you would see that these are available in two colors. The one is the green and the other one is the white. I personally bought this green color. If you see, like, this is the color that I chose, right? The one which is white, it has a silver frame, which I'm not a great fan of. It looks a little, you know, lower in quality, or a cheap quality, and it's my choice. Like, I prefer green, but it's completely like your choice, right? जैसे आपने पैकिंग में देखा बॉक्स में, ऑनेस्टली दिस इज़ अ बजट फ़ोन, सो प्लीज़ डोंट एक्सपेक्ट अ लॉट. एक फ़ोन, एंड देन यू हैड लाइक द चार्जर, एंड देन द USB C टाइप चार्जिंग केबल, एंड देन एक सिम इजेक्टर. सो उसके अलावा बॉक्स में कुछ था नहीं. बॉक्स का साइज़ तो बड़ा था, बट pretty much this is all you get in the box, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at how the phone is, and its first look. So if you see, I really like the color. I think this is great. Packaging के मामले में, I think Micromax ने थोड़ा सा, I think they could have done better. If you see, like, the back sticker has like a lot of like a lot of bubbles. So thoda sa, I think they could have spent more time doing the packing. You see at the bottom there is a scratch, or it looked like a scratch though, but thankfully scratch nahi tha. I just had to like wipe it off. मैंने यार इतना पैसा खर्च रहे हैं, कम से कम phone साफ तो करके दो, right? But anyway, just let's go ahead and deep dive into the phone real quick. I'm not going to spend a lot of time reading out the specs. All right, so first look of the phone. It really feels nice, looks premium when you hold it in your hand. If you look at the phone, it just came with a plastic cover at the top and then one at the bottom. Let me just peel it off and show you how it looks. Here's the back panel. I really love it. Love the color. Look at the X symbol that you see here. I don't know if you can see that. You can see that in the reflection. But really looks premium. And then if you look at the bottom, you have a 3.5 mm jack, and then you get a micro USB type C port, and the microphone. And then on the side, you see the power button and then the volume up and down. Side of the phone, you will see a dedicated button for Google Assistant and also a SIM tray. So the SIM tray has a triple slot, so आप अपना dual SIM यूज़ करना चाहते हो तो उसके साथ मेमोरी कार्ड डाल सकते हैं. And the phone comes with a 64 GB internal storage, which can be expanded to 256 GB. Overall, I think in its price range, it is a really good looking smartphone. It also exhibits a quad camera composition on its rear side with the in branding, which really makes it look attractive. It also has a 5000 mAh battery, which comes with an 18-watt fast charger. So coming to the display is a 6.67 inches IPS LCD display, and looking at its price range, I think it is quite impressive. The phone देखने में बहुत बढ़िया है. The colors really come out, so really love the look and feel of the phone. Right here you will see a top-notch display, and when it comes to the UI, you will get an experience which is not a pure stock Android, but it's very similar to stock Android. Okay, so if you see the panel here has icons which are a little different, which you would find it very different if you've used stock Android before. But the good thing is that it comes with an Android 10 that you can see here, and because there are not a lot of bogus or ton of preloaded apps, one good thing is that it helps you save a lot of internal memory. Another thing that I noticed, which is a bug, maybe they'll fix it in the software update later, but अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे like the icons have gone a lot towards like the left or towards the right. अगर आप देखेंगे the time and the display here that you see on the right, it has gone far stretched towards the right and the left. I hope they fix it in the next software update. Coming to the camera, this phone offers a 48 megapixel primary lens, which is up to 4x digital zoom, and a 5 megapixel wide angle shooter, and a 2 megapixel macro camera with a 2 megapixel depth lens. So here, like, I don't know, like, honestly कि कितना अच्छा है, but मैंने तो कुछ shots लिए, so I just wanted to show you some of the pictures. They aren't bad looking at the price range, right? I really love how the colors come out, so pretty decent though. So overall, looking at the price range, I think this is a really killing deal. I love the color, I love the look and feel when you hold it in your hand. The display is great. You get a stock Android experience. Not stock Android, but yeah, similar to that. But overall, I really love the phone. And another thing that I wanted to call out is, again, in my home I have a lot of issues with reception. So the voice calls के लिए तो आजकल you have like the Vio Wi-Fi, but OTPs and messages have always been a pain for me. But the one thing that I tested with this phone is even with one signal, I was still able to get messages, which is like a really cool thing. And I think 11,000 mein, this is definitely not a bad deal in my opinion. Obviously, I want to hear from you on what you think about this phone. I hope this video was able to help you make a decision on whether you want to buy this phone or not. But yeah, please, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, sneak peek. Thank you.